This 2026 East to West Entrada 2950 OK is a Class C RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2026 East to West Entrada 2950 OK is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.